Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Apple Magic Keyboard for your new Apple iPad Pro from 2024. This Magic Keyboard delivers an amazing typing and trackpad experience in a sleek, portable new design with an aluminum palm rest. The keyboard includes a function row and a large glass trackpad with haptic feedback for precision work and multi-touch gestures. The new keyboard, that means it is an innovation. That is key. We have a sleek profile and a chic protection. The Magic Keyboard comes in two colors that perfectly match to our iPad Pro. It features machined aluminum, a durable outer cover, and a USB-C connector for pass-through charging. The iPad attached to the Magic Keyboard magnetically, and the smart connector immediately connects the power and the data without the need for Bluetooth, so it's ready to use instantly. Have a full function row and then some. The type comfortable on an advanced design with the backlit keys. Smoothly adjust the angles to our comfort, and we use the new 14 key function row for convenient access to features like screen brightness or volume control. And precision, we can feel that. The navigation, large spreadsheet, and a comfortably highlight text with a bigger redesigned glass trackpad with the haptic feedback. Conveniently scroll, swipe, or use multi-touch gestures for even more productivity. The keyboard, this types it out and we take it with us. The iPad keyboard provides a great typing experience and lightweight durable protection for our iPad. And they attach to the iPad magnetically. No need for switches, plugs, and pairing. We have here a Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro. It's available in white or in black. It's compatible with the iPad Pro 13-inch M4 and iPad Pro 11-inch M4 too. The Magic Keyboard for our iPad Pro delivers an amazing typing and trackpad experience in a sleek, portable new design with an aluminum palm rest. The keyboard includes a function row, USB-C connector for pass-through charging, and front and back protection for our iPad. The floating cantilever design smoothly adjusts to multiple viewing angles. A larger glass trackpad expands how we can work with the iPad operation system, and it delivers haptic feedback for precision-based workflow and multi-touch gestures. This is thin and it's portable with a multiple viewing angles. That means thin, light, and portable with a floating cantilever design for a smooth adjustability. And we have a built-in trackpad with a haptic feedback function. The large glass trackpad with haptic feedback for a responsive and intuitive experience for us. And we have an all new function row. 14 key function row for convenient access to screen brightness, volume control, and of course for other features. But take care. You have in this case here only a compatibility with the iPad Pro 13-inch or 11 inches M4. That means from 2024. It's not compatible with the iPad Air 13-inch, the iPad Air 11-inch, the iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th generation, iPad Pro 11 inches, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th generation, and the iPad Air 4th and 5th generation. For these devices, there are a smaller Magic Keyboard out there. That's all white and black available on the market too. Okay? But there are comfortable typing and built-in trackpad functions included too, but it's a little bit tiny. Here for the iPad Pro, it's the big one. It's the keyboard, the Magic Keyboard for our Apple iPad Pro. It's easy, because we can connect our iPad by using the magnetic system. And after this, everything is completed and ready to use. If you use a Magic Keyboard, you have two USB-C places, one on the iPad Pro and one on the Magic Keyboard. That means you can reload the iPad from our keyboard, and you can use the USB-C connector on your iPad for other stuff like an HDD or something else. And of course, you can use gestures and two fingers scrolling, for example, zoom in, zoom out. You can make gestures for a better control of your iPad Pro, for example. And it feels really comfortable and it looks really great with the new iPad Pro. If you have the previous model, or for example, the previous model does not matches with the iPad Pro from 2024, I checked this. That's not possible. It is not compatible. This keyboard here is only for the brand new iPad launch of 2024, and of course later. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.